Let me explain something most Texans don't realize. Police don't always need a warrant to track your car, but sometimes they do, and knowing the difference matters. If the police want to attach a GPS tracking device on your car, then they need a search warrant signed by a judge. But if the police want to review surveillance camera footage, then they generally do not need a search warrant. You may have heard of flock cameras. These are surveillance cameras installed by homeowners associations, cities, neighborhoods, and businesses. These aren't just ordinary surveillance cameras. Flock cameras use automated license plate reader technology called ALPR that creates a searchable database that can be accessed at some point in the future. They take pictures of cars, capture the license plate, the date, the time, and the location, and store that information. Now here's the key point. Many of these cameras are privately owned and not operated by law enforcement. And because of that, law enforcement often contacts the owner of the camera to get information about a vehicle from them rather than get a search warrant. Sometimes that's legal, but sometimes it raises significant constitutional concerns. In Texas, drivers have a limited expectation of privacy when operating their car on a public roadway. Your license plate is available for anyone to see, including law enforcement. And because of that, courts have generally held that recording a license plate does not constitute a search under the Fourth Amendment. Now, one camera hit may not tell the police a lot, but hundreds of camera hits collected over time can tell the police where a person works, where they go, where they socialize, where they worship, who they hang out with, and that can be a problem if the police do not get a search warrant to get those records. And the law surrounding the use of flock camera information is continuing to develop. And a flock camera doesn't always show who's driving the car. It just shows where the car is at a particular date, time, and location. I've seen cases where law enforcement used flock camera information during their investigation before they even had probable cause to get a search warrant, and that can be a problem. The issue isn't whether flock cameras exist. The issue is, did the police follow the Constitution when gathering and analyzing the information from the flock camera? If the police claim they know where you were, how you got there, or when you left a particular place, then they may have gotten that information from flock cameras or some sort of other automated surveillance system. And if flock cameras were involved, don't assume the information is automatically admissible as evidence against you. I'm David Kiatta with Segura Kiatta, a criminal defense law firm in Sugar Land, Texas. And if you or a loved one has been arrested, and if you think flock camera information has been obtained, well, it's critical to contact an experienced criminal defense lawyer who can analyze it and determine if that evidence can be suppressed against you in court because it was unlawfully obtained. You need a lawyer who understands Texas law and surveillance technology. So call us at Segura Kiatta and let us fight for your freedom and your future.